Lumi! Your smile makes the sun brighter. This town is amazing! Welcome to Rainbow Town,
where every day begins with laughter.
Let's play!
And where a little boy named Lumi is about to do something very special.
It's okay, Lumi. It's heavy. I wish I could be brave like everyone else. Lumi, your heart is so big, and that makes you very brave. Really? Of course. Thank you. Why are you hiding that amazing heart, Lumi? Poof! You see my heart? It's so bright. Where did you come from? From your dreams. And of course I can see your heart. It shines when you care.
Every kind feeling creates a spark of bravery.
Help, I'm scared! I'm scared too. Bravery isn't about being fearless. It's about caring more than your fear. I'm here. We'll be scared together. We'll stick together. See? Your bravery was inside you all along. I'm small, but my heart is big. Time to explore this wonderful world. When you believe in your kindness, you discover your courage. Ready? Let's play! Hey you, my dear friend. Remember to be kind, be brave, and be you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.